guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a FabFitFun summer unboxing. This used to be one of my favorite videos to do just because I love FabFitFun boxes. So I'm really excited to start doing them again. I am part of like their VIP, I think that's what it's called, VIP program or whatever, or annual subscription where you pay for the entire year at one time instead of like the 4 seasonal payments. So I believe I do get my box a little bit earlier than people who are on like the seasonal subscription. So I get my box a little bit earlier, and I also get to, oh, let me not lift that up, my address is on it. I do get to like choose, like customize my box and like do the add-ins or the add-ons earlier than everyone else. So I do have a few, I say a few, it's a handful, but yeah, let's just jump in. I have not opened the box. I do remember a few of the add-ons, but not all of them. So this is going to be a surprise to me too. So let's just jump into opening it. So 2 things I wanted to mention. 1, this is not a fancy video. We're real casual. My hair is real dirty. That's why it's in these braids. And 2, I believe there's some yard work going on somewhere outside. So if you can hear that in the background, I'm very sorry. Just deal with it for me, okay? Okay. Okay, that's all. Let's jump in now. This is what the box looks like for summertime. It does have a little thing right here that says in support of the Special Olympics, which is really cool. So let's get this baby opened. Okay, so when you open it up, you've got the blue inside, and then they usually give you like booklets on what's in the box and how to use it and all that kind of stuff. So the first thing in here is this Bright Sellers. I've never heard of this, but it's a $50 credit. It's a wine subscription. I think that's what it is. Yeah. Okay, so a wine subscription. Cool. That's really exciting. And then Green Chef. I've never tried Green Chef before. They used to send, it was either Home Chef or there's the other one too. What's the other one called? I don't remember, but they used to send a different one all the time, and I had tried it already. And I'm like, I've already tried this. I can't, it's like only off of your first order. So I might be trying this out. Plus free shipping. $90 off plus free shipping. Cool. So as you guys might know, I am a personal trainer, and I don't eat clean or strict. Like I'm not about that life. I'm really about balance, which is why I'm excited about this wine card. But I do track macros, pay attention to my calories, that kind of thing. So I do try to eat balanced meals and eat as best as I can most of the time. And then I balance it with the wine and the treats and that kind of thing. So, but this has different like keto options. I don't know if you can see that. Keto and paleo and different kind of things back there. So you can choose what type of meals you want. Awesome. I'm totally going to look into this later. Cool. Cool, cool. Those are exciting. Thing that is on the top of the box is this satin pillowcase. It says pillow sleeve, but oh, it's not a case. Wow, it is a sleeve. Cool, so you can just like put it over. Awesome. Cool. So I sleep with satin pillowcases. I have one at home. I have one on my pillow. Well, I have one on my pillow here. I have a bunch. One on my pillow at Keith's house, and then the pillow that I use at the Shore House, I have one that I take there too. So it's great for your hair, great for your skin. And when I get my lash extensions done, that's the main reason that I sleep with it, because your lashes won't pull on the satin. So I love, actually I use silk pillowcases, don't I? But they're like the same thing, I think. But yeah, I use silk pillowcases. This is cute. It's just like a plain gray, which is good because it'll match pretty much anything, and it matches my room, but it'll also, The one I have on my pillow at Keith's right now is pink. He doesn't really care, but you know, it looks better in his room if I use a gray one. So this is really awesome and it's very soft. Cool. Excited about that. Put that back there. I'm just gonna throw everything back here, so if you can see it behind me, just ignore it. Next thing, I remember choosing these. Next thing are these Tom's sunglasses, and I'm really excited about these. I love having different pairs of sunglasses, especially like not super expensive ones. Oh, these are cute. So I have a pair of Ray-Bans, but I don't really like to wear those at the beach as much as possible, just because I don't want them to get ruined or scratched or in the water or anything like that. So I like having, not that these are cheap, but they're not Ray-Bans. I actually don't know how much these are, but these are super cute. Oh yeah, these are adorable. I love these. Oh my gosh. I love these. These are so cute. I love those. Winky Lux. I thought this was Tarte for a second. So this is Winky Lux. I saw this brand like years ago. Like randomly people would talk about it, but now it's at Target. So that's really cool. So if I like this, at least it's easily accessible. So this is the Winky Lux Unibrow. It is a universal brow pencil. That's a really cute name. Universal shade, firm texture, triangle shaped artist tip, custom spoolie end, good. So like I mentioned in like my intro video or whatever, I don't wear a ton of makeup anymore. It's just not who I am. You can see, I mean, like I have some brows on. I used Gimme Brow today and just kind of like put it through my brows, and I have some concealer and some mascara on. Usually I have false lashes. I'm gonna move a little closer actually. Usually I have false lashes, but with quarantine, my lash artist hasn't been doing them because she does them at our house. So like that's the extent of my makeup routine at this point. So having brow products is really awesome because it's one of the only things that I use now. So this is spoolie on one side. Is that focusing? Yep. Spoolie on one side. Cool. And then nice twist up on this side. It does have like the Anastasia brow definer tip. I hope you can see that. So actually that looks like it's going to be a good color. Huh. That looks like it's going to be a good color. So I do like my brows just like a little bit darker because, I mean, my hair is dirty so it looks dark, but I do like them just a little bit darker so it matches like my roots a little better. So cool. Excited about that. After I go through everything, I think I'll go through the book and just tell you like the prices of everything. That way you kind of know. Scirocco foot cream. It literally just says foot cream. I mean, listen, I probably need this. My feet are gross, I'm not gonna lie. Scirocco, meaning beautiful in Sicilian dialect, was discovered by my great-great-grandfather, I'm not even gonna try to say that, in Sicily. My family uses this wonderful fruit in the same way we use everything from our lands, internally and externally. Thank you for entrusting us with your beauty, warmest thoughts. So it says how to use, apply onto feet, and massage from your heels to your toes. Use twice daily. Okay. So is it like lotion, I guess? I guess it's like lotion. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh, it smells good. It just smells like citrus. All right. I'll give it a try. Why not? Next thing is the Lifestyle Co. Beach Mist Botanical After Sun Spray. This says, shake gently before use and spray onto face or desired area of the body. I'm gonna go out on a whim or a limb? Out on a limb and say you spray this on your body after you're in the sun. Who would have ever thought I'd guess that? Let's see. Okay. I really like the packaging. The packaging is super simple and really pretty. Nothing crazy. I really like that. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh, it smells beachy. Like it smells like sunscreen. I'm excited to try this. I burn very easily. As you can see, I'm very pale right now. So last weekend at the shore, I got very burnt. It was a beautiful day. It wasn't too hot and the wind was blowing. Like there was a really nice breeze. So you couldn't tell that you were getting burnt or that you were in the sun for too long. I did apply sunscreen 3 times, but I didn't have a ton of self tanner on. So this side of my body got really burnt and the other side got a little bit of sun. A lot of it turned to tan, which was good, but here started peeling. So I've been waiting for that to kind of clear up before I put more self tanner on. But I like to put self tanner on before going to the beach just because it gives me some sort of base and I don't burn as easily. So I do really like any sort of like sun care or after sun anything because my skin gets really dry too. So this will be really nice. I'm gonna take this to the beach with us and give it a try. Cool. That's fun. I think I remembered picking that, like customizing and choosing that. Ooh, I'm really excited about this. I chose a lot of stuff in here. Wow, okay. So let me get this open. So this is, I took the packaging off, but the brand is L Space and it is a beach towel. You can see right there kind of. I'm really excited. So I've gotten a beach towel. Actually, I got a beach towel and like a circle beach blanket in my FabFitFun boxes before. I love them. They're my absolute favorite. I actually had an issue with one of the towels where like the stickiness on the packaging was left on the towel and they sent me a brand new one, no problem. Like I said, great customer service. So I actually have 2 of those towels and like a circle beach blanket. So I love like the beach stuff that I've gotten from FabFitFun. I've been highly impressed with it. Haven't faded. They wash really well and like they're really lightweight. So it's not like a lot for you to carry like in a bag if you're walking to the beach. This is so cute. This is adorable. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. You can't even see it. It's huge. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is so nice. This is so cute. I cannot wait to take this to the beach this weekend. I'm so excited. And that's another good thing. Like now that we have the shore house, it's nice getting all of this beach stuff and it's not stuff that like I have to go out and buy. I'm getting it all in FabFitFun and I've gotten a ton of different like beach things in the summer box obviously, but it's really convenient. It's really nice. So 2 more things in here. We'll do this one first. This is Spongella. Oh god, Spongele. I don't know. This is what it looks like. I have no idea how to pronounce the brand, but it is a hand cream. Coconut Verbena. Is that how you say that? Verbena? Lord help me. I don't use hand cream a lot just because I'm a very clammy person. My hands are not usually dry, but I do use it when I self-tan. So, oh, this smells really good. Oh yeah, that's nice. That smells really, really good. It's like lightly coconut scent. I really like that. That smells really good. Shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and argan oil. This is gonna be nice. All right, so last thing that's actually in the box is this. I think this is a cooler or like a lunch bag. So the brand is Business and Pleasure Co., which is fun. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. This will be perfect for the beach too. Just to put like lunch and stuff in. All right, it's not opening up very well, but okay. So it's just this like mustardy yellow kind of color. There's like some stuff on it up here, but that's okay. Yeah, it's like a mustardy yellow type of color. It's not as bright as it's coming up on camera, but it has like the carrying strap with the adjustable part over here, and then it has this little carrying thing too with snaps on it in case you want to carry it like that, which is awesome. So let's open this guy up. Oh, it's got 2 zippers, so you can open it kind of from the front. I actually don't have a lunchbox. So like going to work and stuff, when I was working, I was just using like a plastic shopping bag. So this will be really nice too because like I said, I eat, you know, a specific way. I track my macros, I meal prep, all that kind of stuff, especially when I'm working because I don't have time in between clients to like eat big meals. So I pack a lot of stuff. So I eat like a lot of small stuff. So this will be really nice for that too. I think a lot of stuff will fit in here. It's pretty big. So yeah, love that. Okay, so I'm going to look at the book. So I just looked through the book and found the pricing of everything. So this lunch bag right here is $59. The towel, the cutest beach towel ever, is $58. So the sunglasses are $58. The pillowcase was $29.50, so $30. The beach mist is $42. Wow, that's expensive. The Wingy Lux eyebrow pencil is $16. That's not bad. And then the foot cream is $24. Oh, Cali Cosmetics it says. Wow. And then the hand cream is $18. So I don't know how much that is because I'm not good at math, but I'll put it on the screen. Going into the things that I added in, which is a lot more than I thought I did. But I added the Dry Bar Prep Rally, it's called. It is a prime and prep detangler. This you're going to spray into damp hair and then dry it or style it from there. I really need good hair products. My hair is gross right now. Like it's just dry and I just really need good hair products. So I got that. I also got the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Condition and Restore Moisturizing Cream. This is a really good brand and I think it'll really help with my sensitive skin. So excited to try that. And then I did add in the Kula Mineral Face Sunscreen. This is the matte finish, which I was really excited about. I have the regular one, but I wanted to try the matte finish one. So I'll finish up the one that I have first and then use this one. But especially being at the beach, you can never have too much sunscreen. So got that. And then I also added the Wish. Is it Wish? W-H-I-S-H? I think so. This is the Coconut Milk and Verbena Exfoliating Foot Mask. If you have ever seen people post about the foot mask that they get on Amazon, I'm hoping this is like the same, but we'll see. It like literally makes your feet peel. I don't think this is going to do that, but hopefully it'll help with my dry skin on my feet. Like I said, TMI, but my feet are gross, so I'm going to try this tonight and see how I like it. I also added another hair product. This is the Moroccan Gold Series Leave-In Mask. So I will use this after washing my hair. And then the last thing I added in is the Grown Alchemist Detox Night Cream Peptide. Oh gosh, I have no idea how to say any of that, so I'm just going to show you. So that's everything that's in it. Apply after cleansing and application of targeted serums, with smooth upward and outward motions working from the center of the face. Okay, my camera overheated, so I honestly don't know where I left off, but hopefully you got to see everything extra that I added to my box that I didn't need but added anyway. I will list everything that I got down below in the description box. I think that's it. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I know this was super casual and I kind of have to get used to being on camera again and filming like actual videos, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this and that's it. I will talk to you guys soon. I don't know how to end videos anymore. Bye guys.